Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. Got a big job that needs a rough and tumble digger? Then look no further than our battery-operated RiiRoo 6-volt construction truck digger excavator. Suitable for kids aged between 3 and 5 years of age, our newest ride-on is hitting the website and is bound to be a proven winner with parents and grandparents alike. It's suitable for children of up to 4 years of age or up to 102 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. The livery on this car has been designed to spark your child's imagination. Separate joystick for bucket. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.